Instead of loading and driving your trim branches to your nearest garden dump, why not create your own beautiful mulch with what you already have? So call on the shredder. Shredders have come a long way and are no longer the type of machines that we need to be scared of and dread using. The low noise, powerful motor takes branches up to 40 millimeters in thickness and turns it into a beautifully finely shredded organic material. Whether you want to use this material to make compost or layer it in garden beds as a beautiful mulch. Now, don't worry about getting your fingers caught in the gear works. These guys are cleverly designed to guide the trim branches through a clover-leafed opening. So there is no chance of anybody getting hurt. Should a branch get stuck, some of these guys even have an automatic reverse function that conveniently dislodges the branch that's stuck. For added safety, the machine will only operate when the shredder box is clipped into position. Again, that is so clever and logic prevails. With all the shredded material neatly gathered into the catcher box, you can carry this awesome organic material to wherever you need it. Once done, simply fold the electric shredder into the shredder box and store it away.